Hello, this is Josh Patel back again with another Intro to Biology video. Today we will be doing chapter 23, which is Invertebrate Diversity. And so we'll only be doing lessons 1 and 2 this time because the other lessons aren't as important and they're very detailed. So chapter 23.1 is Animal Characteristics. Key concept is animals are diverse but share common characteristics. Okay, animals are the most physically diverse kingdom of organisms. Animals range from size of 25-meter long blue whales to microscopic rodfers. Animals are found nearly everywhere on Earth. All animals share a set of characteristics. All animals share a unique set of derived characters, and animal cells are all supported by collagen, which is a three-stranded protein found in bone, skin, ligaments, fingernails, and hair. But we don't have to exactly know about the protein thing. So animals are diploid and usually reproduce sexually, and this is something that we already should know. We don't reproduce asexually, but we do sexually, and we have full set of DNA, which is a diploid cell. So diploid parents produce diploid offspring. So diploid is basically our body cells, and our body cells have full sets of DNA. We have two copies, one from each our mother and our father, and do not have free living haploid life stages. So most animals have Hox genes, which are homodotic genes control early development. Hox genes determine the position of cell differentiation. A Hox gene mutation leads to the development of a body structure in the wrong position. So 23.2, which is animal diversity. More than 95% of all animal species are invertebrates. That's a lot. So each animal phylum has a unique body plan. Vertebrates have an internal segmented backbone. Invertebrates do not have a backbone. Invertebrates encompass most animal groups. So here we have arthropods, which is 86%, mollusks, which are 6, worms, which are 5, and 3% is sponges and other stuff, basically. Differences in body plans result from differences in expression of Hox genes. Hox genes tell embryonic cells which body part to become. So it's basically in the early stages it tells which genes to do what, or what cells to become what part of our body. Mutation in Hox genes leads to the vast diversity of animal species. Animals are grouped using a variety of criteria. 3 criteria are used to categorize animals: body plan, symmetry, and tissue layers, and development patterns. There are 2 types of body plan systems. We have the bilateral system, which body divides equally among one plane, so it's symmetrical. Animals with bilateral symmetry can be divided equally along only one plane, which splits an animal into a mirror image on both sides. So we have bilateral symmetry. And then radial symmetry, body arranges in a circle around a central axis. So animals with radial symmetry have body parts arranged in a circle around the central axis, so basically they're circular. Bilateral animals have 3 distinct layers of tissue. Radial animals have only 2. Both animal types have ectoderm and endoderm, so that's their basically skin layers. Bilateral animals have the mesoderm, and animals are divided into 2 major groups: the protosomers and the deuterostomes. So, protostomes from mouth first and anus second, and deuteromes first from the anus and then the mouth. So it's pretty sure it's what comes out first when you're born, or it's what develops first. A comparison of structures and genetics reveals the evolutionary history of animals. So protozoans and deuterozoans are the 2 major radiations on the animal phylogenetic tree. So the current organization of the animal kingdom shows some unexpected relationships. The technologic advancements help to clarify evolutionary relationships. So that's the end of what we're going to do for chapter 23, and a couple of the next chapters in the 20s are unimportant, So I'm not going to make videos for them, but they're online in the textbook, but they're very specific, even more specific than the ones we've been doing.